What up everybody? So today we're making a stand for this little claw guy right here. It's loud. All right, plane's gone. So today we're making this little clamp right here. We're making a little tower for it right here, a stand if you will. So I can clamp, get some better angles because I made this. So yeah, we have some plates here, we have some angle iron. We're gonna make a nice sturdy base. We got my cutter right there and the welder right there to chop everything up. It's not gonna be terribly tall, it's gonna be decently tall. So, come on close. For today, we have this welding apparatus that I definitely made out of cardboard. I used metal tape all around it to hopefully help with the welds beating off of it and hopefully not starting a fire. I did use welder's plexiglass on both top and bottom, and on the back is welder's glass. It's number 12. So you can look at it during a solar eclipse if you want, or look at the sun, you know, not burn your retinas. But this should be good enough for the GoPro and catching all the welds. And again, I don't really have any sizes that I want this to be at. I just want it to be long enough to where it's flexible. So I think that much should work. Maybe that's too long. But if it's too short, I'll cut it again and I'll make some more. Contact. Now that we have everything here, again, it's nothing too fancy. It's literally 4 pieces that we're gonna weld.
Fair point to stop it.
Huh?
So that's one way to stop it.
Well, yeah, it's the easiest way.
So what are you doing?
Well, all the pieces are now cut, they're grounded. There you go, like so. Like so. That way it's nice wide base. And then that's it.
3, 2, 1, contact. 3, 2, 1, contact.
Alright, I let it cool down enough, but it's still hot to the touch. But for the most part, the welds, they are looking pretty good. Not this side's decent. But pretty much the GoPro mount's gonna go on here. I can swivel it in which direction I want. It's gonna be on this nice little small base. This is still kind of hot, hot. And it's pretty heavy, so it shouldn't go anywhere. So when I'm working, why not get some close shots for you guys so we can do that with this guy. No. And then boop, 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 boop. Oh, it's hot. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. See you.